Hello everyone, welcome to Back Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the 4K camera drone. So, stay with us for product details. Let's get started. The FIMI X8 Pro 4K camera drone is a feature-packed aerial platform designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand high-quality imaging, advanced stability, and extended range. With cutting-edge technology and thoughtful engineering, this drone aims to deliver cinematic results and a seamless flying experience. Here's a deep dive into its standout features, as well as its pros and cons. Product features. High-quality imaging. At the heart of the FIMI X8 Pro is a 1/1.3-inch 48MP CMOS sensor that delivers stunning image clarity. The inclusion of dual native ISO and HDR support allows for vivid imagery with a wide dynamic range, ensuring your photos and videos have excellent contrast and detail even in tricky lighting conditions. 4K/60fps video recording. The drone supports 4K resolution at 60 frames per second, offering ultra-smooth video that is ideal for high-quality content creation, slow-motion playback, and detailed post-production editing. Exceptional low-light performance. With a large f/.7 aperture and AI Super Night Video mode, the X8 Pro excels in low-light scenarios. Its AI-powered ISP system helps reduce noise and increase sensitivity, producing bright and sharp visuals even after sunset. Advanced transmission range. Featuring the Rokelink 5.0 system, the drone provides a transmission range of up to 20 km with a minimal 120 ms latency. This means you can fly farther and still enjoy a stable, real-time video feed, great for long-range projects or exploring remote areas. Smooth stabilization. A 3-axis mechanical gimbal offers rock-steady stabilization, crucial for capturing shake-free footage, even in windy conditions or during aggressive flight maneuvers. Rich visuals with 4K HDR. The 4K HDR mode enhances image quality by preserving both highlight and shadow details, resulting in visually rich and lifelike videos with smooth tonal transitions. Pros. Excellent image quality with a 48MP sensor and HDR support. Smooth cinematic video at 4K/60fps. Outstanding low-light performance aided by AI and large aperture. Extended 20 km transmission range with low latency for long-distance control. Reliable 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage in various conditions. ADR video and photo modes improve dynamic range and realism. Cons. Large file sizes due to 4K/60fps footage may require ample storage. Advanced features may have a learning curve for beginners. Final thoughts. The FIMI X8 Pro 4K camera drone is a strong contender in the mid to high-end drone market. Whether you're a seasoned filmmaker, a travel vlogger, or a drone enthusiast looking to elevate your aerial content, the X8 Pro delivers on all fronts impressive imaging, solid performance, and professional-grade stabilization. While it may not be the ideal first drone for absolute beginners, its feature-rich package makes it a top pick for anyone serious about drone videography. Check the price link in the description. Subscribe Best Product